Under po kasi sa joint circular, kung itong expenses is before the cash advance, ito ay reimbursement, which is a violation po ng item 6.1. Wait lang. Under po sa joint circular, yung sa 6.1.2, sabi po dito, in no case shall cash advance for CFN or IF be utilized as reimbursement of the expenses prior to the granting of the cash advance.
Okay. So these are disallowed expenses. And yet, knowing that hindi naman covered ito ng kinash advance nila na confidential funds, sinubmit pala nila. Ano yan? Palagay ko. Ano yan? Palusot ba yan? They're trying to get reimbursement or trying to use activities not covered by the
Your Honor, please.
specific period to justify the liquidation of confidential funds.
Counsel
Apart
for
from what I've
respondent.
said, what is the...
Conclusion of fact, Your Honor, palusot ba yan?
That is my... That is
Counsels.
my...
Counsels, please. We're like,
Oh, why would you...
on both sides, I think most of the questions being asked have already been answered by the witness repeatedly. Kindly move to your next point, Attorney Kapunan. If you have other points for redirect, so that we can wind up also with the recross and proceed to the interjections, so that we can finish with this witness. We're going around repeatedly already on the same conclusions of the witness based on her findings. Kindly move on, counsel, please.
Your Honor, please, as I said earlier, at the start of this impeachment, one of the rules of cross-examination and direct examination or redirect is to know when to stop. This is where I stop, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you very much, counsel.